Hey there, have you ever wondered what makes vlogging so popular? Or did you know that vloggers are some of the most influential creators on the internet today? Stick around because today we're diving into the world of vlogs. Introduction. What's up everyone? I'm your name, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about vlogs, what they are and how you can create your very own. So, first things first, a vlog is basically a video blog where you share your thoughts, experiences, or daily life with the world. It's all about connecting with your audience in a more personal way. In this video, I'll be walking you through my vlogging journey, sharing tips, and giving you a sneak peek into what goes into making a great vlog. Let's get started. Vlog segment 1. Alright, so let's kick things off with my morning routine. Every good vlog starts with a solid setup, right? So, I usually wake up around AM, and the first thing I do is grab my phone and check my messages. I like to see what's happening in the world before I dive into my day. After that, I hit the shower and get ready. Now, here's a fun fact. I actually use this cool little gadget called a ring light to make my makeup look flawless for the camera. It really brightens up my face and gives me that perfect glow. Once I'm all set, I brew myself a cup of coffee because let's be honest, what's a morning without caffeine? Then, I gather my vlogging gear, which includes my camera, a tripod, and my trusty microphone. And that's pretty much how I prep for a day of vlogging. Vlog segment 2. Now that I'm ready, let's head to an interesting location. Today, I'm taking you guys to this awesome local park that I absolutely love. It's got beautiful trails, a lake, and lots of greenery. I always find inspiration here, and it's a perfect spot for vlogging. As I walk through the park, I'll share with you why I think being in nature is so important for creativity. Plus, I'll show you some of the cool spots that make this place special. Oh, and did I mention that I might run into a few friendly faces? This park is usually bustling with people, so who knows what kind of fun interactions we might capture on camera. Vlog segment 3. While I'm at the park, I decided to interview a fellow vlogger I met here. Her name is interviewee's name, and she's been vlogging for a couple of years now. We're going to chat about her experiences and what she's learned along the way. I think hearing from someone who's been through it all will give you guys some valuable insights. We'll talk about how she finds inspiration for her content, the challenges she faces, and maybe even some tips for newcomers. It's always fun to connect with other creators, and I can't wait for you to hear her story. Vlog segment 4. Okay, so we've had an amazing day so far. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've experienced. One big lesson I've learned is that